Car lovers, get ready, BMW or Mercedes? Let's find out. First up, BMW, known for its sporty performance and agile handling. Think sharp turns and a thrilling drive. Now, Mercedes, the epitome of luxury and comfort. Smooth rides and plush interiors. But wait, what about tech? BMW packs a punch with cutting-edge driving assist and a killer infotainment system. Mercedes counters with its M-Bucks system, loaded with voice control and sleek displays. Engines, BMW's inline-6 is a beast, delivering power and precision. Mercedes fires back with turbocharged engines that scream performance. So, which one's it going to be? The adrenaline-pumping BMW or the luxury-loaded Mercedes? Drop a comment with your pick and hit that like button if you're revved up.